Hey, and welcome back. Next, I want to work on the sidebar. Let's return back to VS Code. Open my sidebar. Inside component, create a new folder called sidebar. Inside that, two new files. Sidebar.js and sidebar.sass. Close my sidebar. Drag the sass file to the right. I'm going to import my variables. Semicolon. I will define a class name of sidebar. I will give it a position of fix. Because I want the sidebar to be sticky on the side. Give that a quick save. Navigate over to the JS file. Import my style. And then define the component as sidebar. I want a div with a class name of sidebar. Inside another div with a class name of sidebar underscore menu. Inside that, an unordered list. And then inside that, a list item with a paragraph tag that say feed. I will duplicate the list item 2 times. The second li I will say profile. And then log out. Give that a quick save. Next, I want to go to the React icon website and search for book content. It's this one. Click to copy. Navigate back to my VS Code. Import that in from React icons. And then the first 2 letters. Locate my first li. Paste in the icon. The next icon I want to search for will be user circle. It's the first one. Click to copy. Go back to VS Code. Import that in. React icons. And then BI. Locate my second li. Paste the icon in. And then search for one more icon for logout. It's gonna be the third one. Click to copy. Back to VS Code. Same thing. Import. And then output it for my last li. Give that a save. Now I want to apply some style. So go to the Sass file. First I want a top of 0, a height of 100 view height, min width of 280 pixel, a background color of RGBA. The color will be purple dark. The alpha level will be 0.8. Next, a backdrop filter. Saturate 80%. And a blur of 20 pixel. Next, I want a z-index of 1. And then a padding top. I want to use the cal C. I want it 4% top. Plus the size of my app bar, which was 75 pixel. Next, I want to display flex, followed by flex shrink to 0. I don't want my sidebar to shrink at all, so it will always stay at 280 pixel. And then justify content center it. Now I want to target my sidebar menu. Target the unordered list. I will give it a background color of RGBA. The color will be purple light. And the alpha level will be 0.8. Next, I want a padding of 1em top and bottom and 3em left and right. Next, a border of 5 pixel. A min width of 200 pixel. a width of 100%, and then margin 0 auto. Now I want to target the li tag. I will scroll up a little bit. I will give it a padding of 10 pixel top and bottom, and then 0 left and right. The list style will be none, and then display a flex. Align item center. The cursor will be pointer. Inside the li, I want to target the paragraph tag. I will give a text transform of uppercase. The font size will be 0.8 rem. The text color will be purple or lighter. A letter spacing of 2 pixel. Margin left of 15 pixel. And then a transition of all 0.3 second ease in. After this, I want to give each icon a different color. So I will target the first li up here. It's going to be li and chow. It's going to be the first one. And then I want to target the icon. Give it a color of blue. I will duplicate this line. And I will set the hover state for it. So hover and then semicolon. Inside, I will remove the SVG and replace that with a paragraph tag. I want my color still to be blue, but I want to give it a transition of all 0.3 second ease in. Next, I will copy these lines and then paste it here on the bottom. Replace number 1 with 2. The SVG this time will be yellow, and the color will also be yellow. I will go down here and paste one more time. Replace 1 with 3. The color will be pink. And then the paragraph tag will be also pink. Give it a quick save. I think I misspelled the word alpha up here on line 8. Right here. I put an extra L. Now give that a save again, and everything should be right. Now I will navigate to my profile layout. Import my sidebar. And then output it down here in the sidebar section. Give it a save and check out my front end. And here's my sidebar. And that will wrap up the lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.